Alright, this is our video inspection for 2405 Bosque in Carlsbad. Actually a living home, I don't know why they do that. And we're running from the clean out near the house to the street.
That me?
You want to go hit some water for me? Like, turn on,
Some air?
Oh, no. I mean, kitchen sink, go flush a toilet, that kind of deal. Did you turn on the sink?
I did.
There you go. And it's all ABS, but we definitely have buildup. And here is a belly. Oh, wow. Okay, now this is a huge root ball. At 15 feet, looks like that's where our intrusion is, right here. And we go down, and it lips. There's okay, you want to go hit that water for me?
Sure.
Thanks, sir. There's a lip at 20 feet that I don't believe the camera can get past. Oh, the pipe is just filled up, basically. Yeah, we're just gonna have to jet that guy out. See what we can see after.
How far is it into the root?
20 feet. Well, 16, 17 feet to the root ball, 20 feet to the lip and the pipe, where the separation is. Yeah. Pretty bad. The camera won't get past it. Everybody be extremely careful with this power cord. If this gets disconnected, we'll lose the memory.
All right. It's enough water. Turn it off over here. Is that what you mean? Yeah, I do. I'll just do it really slow.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
be where the separation is.
Yeah. See that?
Yeah, that's where it is. That's where it's 10 feet.
Can't imagine this is still here for the rain.
Might be. This all feels pretty spongy.
This is particularly spongy, but yeah. See that? That bubble? That's not normal. It's definitely got a lot.
Should keep the hose in there?
Well, maybe you're right. Maybe you're right.
We can try. No, I just, what? Pull out the no, the other way.
Calm down, bud.
If I don't want to lose the video and have to go buy a freaking USB. Okay, that's good, that's good.
That's a big rubber ball.
Let's see what they got over here.
You want to feed that for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Still there?
Oh yeah. Right there. Go forward just a little bit. Stop. No, okay, that's cut off. Okay, keep going. 6 inches, right there, stop. Pull back an inch. Stop. Is that a freaking clean out? Alright, go ahead and push it in.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Look at all that.
That's filling the entire pipe.
Yeah, that'll.
Keep going.
That's what we're looking to blow out.
Okay, stop. So up to 20 feet.
You want to put the hose against it?
Yeah.
Back a piece.
Pull back with your camera a little bit. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Yeah, yeah.
There's poop on it.
Yeah.
Lots of it. Wow. Well, we definitely got all the way out to the street. Okay.
Here, let me turn it on and you do it, because you're better at doing this part than me. Okay.
Alright. Pull back the camera about 2 feet. Right there. It's good.
Yeah, get up there.
Okay. Alright. Now you want to see what happens inside of a pipe when we turn this guy on?
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah. Oh, I can, with the camera and this, I can kind of pinpoint exactly where we got to cut. There we go. Camera's too close. Yeah. Just a sec. Oh, we got a lot of it. Oh shit, I think we got the whole thing. We did. Cut that whole thing out.
Serious water pressure.
We're 1,000.
Yeah. to say.
Yeah, we were at right there.
Still in there?
No, I think we cut it all out.
Flush it.
Yep. But let's get this camera out of here. Actually, but we got it out of the way. Let's turn it on. There's our intrusion right there. Right through the side of the pipe. So, oh no, it's cut out. Yeah, that's cut all out.
What does that mean?
It's been cut out. It's sitting in there, but it's been cut on both sides. It just needs to be flushed down.
Oh, you mean the debris?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you meant the pipe. I'm like, wow.
Oh, no.
Pipe's been cut out?
No.
News to me.
Ready? See how it's moving?
At some point it must be more water than the
pipe can handle, yeah. And the way these jets are designed, they actually back jet a lot of water to you.
I see.
Wait. Power cord.
That's what pulls it through, I guess, huh? That back jet. Huh?
Yep. Otherwise, it'd just be pushing on the end and trying to shoot itself right back out the thing. I've had that happen, actually.
How'd it look?
Really good, I believe. Do you want to run it for me? We're at 15 feet, so bring it back like 3 feet. Okay, completely clear. Okay, now go ahead and start going back in. Back. Okay, right there. Forward about an inch. Okay, keep going. I think that's just a twanger that has to be flushed out, but we'll see. Yeah. See this?
All that on the sides?
Yeah, I think your pipe may be split.
Well, yeah.
Like a straw. It's been cracked.
Yeah.
Because it's all coming from the top in that one strip.
Yeah.
It could be where they come in at a knuckle, a junction, and it's just falling, but usually they wrap around to the bottom of the pipe, you know, and so...
Can we tell here what's top and bottom? No.
Yeah, this is top, and this is bottom.
Alright, because you can see the way the water's dripping, yeah.
Keep going in.
Okay. So that can be cleared out, though, right?
We're going to see. Sometimes the roots are so thick that you can't clear them out. You can't cut them out any longer.
That's just grass, it looks like. It doesn't look like anything major.
Sometimes it's so small, thin, and light that it just flaps up against the pipe.
Let's see.
Alright, that looks like all of it right here.
That was your spot. I'm pretty sure that's where our trouble spot is anyways.
Yep.
Well, if we can just kind of try and grind on that a little bit.
Yeah.
Hit that one spot, then.
Actually, let's put on the bullet head.
Do the bullet?
Yeah.
You want to keep the...
Okay, wait.
Want to keep it right here?
Yes, we can get the hose up against it.
Get out the high caliber.
Yeah, there's a jetter head called the Bullet where it's only got back jets. So it's extremely powerful, but now that we know we have it open, once we get it slightly past that, the back jets cut everything towards us.
Sweet. Thank you, sir. This is your last call?
No. Maybe. I don't know if I have anything else.
Okay.
This was so far it is, but...
Yeah. Glad we were able to keep you guys busy.
Yeah, weather's definitely doing that.
Yeah. Other than having to...
Yep, that's our spot. So in and out. 3 feet right here. All right. Yep.
Guys are out of gas.
I don't know what he's doing.
They pull that all the way back out?
Yep.
Oh boy.
And there's the water to the perfect time.
Buried electrical? Not over there.
Huh?
There's no electrical over there.
It's all in the front yard. All your electrical is buried on this street. Which means the electromagnetics totally hinders our sound wand. I'm getting a reading right up against the camera.
Isn't the electrical in the street? Through the... on the property?
Yeah. This big box is right
Yeah,
here.
I know that, but...
Cable, electrical, that. You can always look out, and if there's no power lines on the in the sky above you, you know they're in the ground, and the sound wand will...
Yeah, but it's out here though, right? The power's out in the street and then back in and then back up, right? Or is it straight up? I mean, this is the water meter here. Can't imagine them running the power through here like this. Past the fiber building?
Yep. Anytime it's buried, it interferes with that.
You're trying to find the hammerhead?
It uses sonar. Well, when there's electrical buried, it won't give us a reading. See how it's bouncing around?
Yeah.
It's going from 90 to 120, 150. It's not getting it.
So this is
No, they all lateral in, and you could usually see where two are lateral by the print on the strip. A big F. Your water box should have a big W. Oh, there's your F right here.
wow, it goes that way? That's not what I expected. I thought for sure it went that way.
Right up alongside your water. I'm not going to do anything.
So you're trying to identify where
the roots are, so when you decide, or if you decide to dig it up, you know exactly where to do that at.
But if you can't figure that out, then what do we do?
Measure 20 feet from here
Toward
to
that,
there,
toward the
towards
S?
the S, and then dig a 4-foot hole.
See.
Probably down 3 feet.
Yeah, get it after that. Alright, well, so we're not going to do that now, obviously,
But that's, I mean, we got the majority out of it.
yeah.
All we have is this little guy hanging down. It's just too thick to cut out.
Yeah.
But this thing, you got to imagine, your entire pipe was full.
Mm-hmm.
Top and bottom, there's probably an opening like that
Right,
through
right.
the roots.
Right.
So this should last you another 6 months to a year.
Yeah.
But you should stay on, if you're not going to dig it up, stay on regular maintenances. Like, wait, how long did it take since the last time you jetted it to where it was doing this on you again?
Probably 9 months to a
Okay.
year, something like that.
Yeah. So we should just set you up on a maintenance every year.
Mm-hmm. I'll call you guys out when it bubbles up again.
Okay.
That's too bad. I can't. I guess at some point, I guess you just can't get it. Huh?
Yeah, they're too thick.